What is that before?
Before,
we never have.
we never thought about that.
Kayo ba as a couple, parang meron na kayong unity or ano?
Unity. What is that before?
Before,
we never have. But before Christ,
we never thought about that.
we didn't have any unity. It was more of selfishness na
At first, in
thinking
love tayo, ano?
Yeah, I
Come
mean,
when we got
that's
married.
given. Within the first few months, you love each other. You're like so sweet.
Uh-huh.
Diba? And then after a time na you learn her mannerisms, her attitudes na that make you tick, that push your buttons, right? The times when she asks you something that is sensitive and she didn't like the answer, and she's gonna clarify it, right? For me na parang, why do you keep asking that same question again and again, right? Those are the adjustment periods namin na looking back at it, na I was so selfish back then. I was so selfish. I was thinking about me, how it affects me, how it limits me, right? How she limits me. It came to that point na I see her as an obstruction to my personal growth, my personal freedom with friends, going out.
There's a time na kino-question niya rin yung yung how I handle the finances. That time na binigay ko rin sa kanya, sige, ikaw mag-handle. Binigay ko rin yung ATM ko sa kanya.
Binigay mo sa kanya.
You know what happened?
Yes.
Nasira ang budget namin.
Nasira.
Nasira. Yun.